Now stop. But it's not on. That's why we can't hear anything. Why are they only having my name? It says B is 1, 2 is A, 3 is B, 4 is A, 5 is L, 6 is W, and 8, no, and then 7 is, oh, there's probably say 8. Why do I don't anyways have 5, why do I don't
Welcome back, grade R's, to your numeracy class. It is so good to have you join me again for today's lesson. And now welcome adults, thank you for joining us. And in today's lesson, you will need the following. Go outside and get us some leaves. Yes, you heard right. Leaves that have fallen on the ground. But you might be asking me, just any leaves? Try and pick the leaves that are bigger and then the leaves that are slightly smaller. And a number of them. We're going to have some real exciting fun in our activity with that. Also, containers. 2 containers for today. Mom and Dad, you can please go and help us get that. That will be excellent. Now my class, come closer. I want to tell you something. It's not a secret, and I'm sure you know all about it. But I want to tell you about the season we are in now. Can you name the season? Louder, louder. Yes! The season we are in now is autumn. So if it is now autumn, what was the season that we just had? Do you remember the warmer season where you didn't need a jacket? You didn't need a jersey? Where the sun was still shining late at night? What was that season's name? Who can tell me? Yeah? Louder? Yes, summer. So, if this is now autumn, the season that we just had was summer. So today we are talking about 2 seasons, summer and autumn. Now children, stand up and do 2 star jumps. Stand up, feet together, arms at your side, and let's count together. 1 and 2, back. And again, that was the first. Now the second time. 2 star jumps. Here we go. 1, 2. Yes. Now for our mindfulness activity. I want to remind you of what you need to do for your mindfulness activity. Stretch out your hands, cross them, flip them over and take your fingers, bring your palms to your chin. Cross your legs, breathe, and watch the glitter falling down on the screen and listen to the gentle music. After that, your activity. our next activity, you will need the following. All kinds of shapes, sizes, and different color leaves. Some big, some smaller. Then also 2 containers where you can sort the leaves into. If you don't have that with you now, quickly run out and go and get it. Or stay tuned and enjoy our class. But remember that when I ask you a question, you can simply say the number or the answer to the question and join in. So, you will see that in my pile of leaves, because it is autumn now, the most beautiful changes in color happen to the leaves. Remember that the leaves that were on the tree during summer, during the hot days of summer, falls off the tree in autumn onto the ground. So when they are on the tree, they are this green color, like you will see here. When they fall off the tree, they change their color to this color, where you can still see some bits of green, but also yellow. Can you see? As they lie on the ground, the green fades away and the yellow is more on the leaf. Then they start also changing texture. If you feel on the leaves, take a leaf and feel the difference in texture. Later on, the leaves can even turn brown and make a sound. Can you hear? Feel between your fingers where you touch the leaf and scrunch it up, scrunch it up, scrunch it up. That is how the leaves change their color. So in your pile of leaves, you will find bigger leaves and smaller leaves. Now pick up a small leaf. Let me find one in my pile. A small leaf. And now pick up in your other hand a big leaf. Can you see the difference? Which one is big and which one is small? Yes, of course, this is the bigger leaf. And this one is the smaller leaf. Now comes the fun part. I want you to sort the leaves into bigger leaves and smaller leaves. If you have your bowls or a bucket, you can put the bigger leaves in one and then the smaller ones in the other bowl. Bring them a bit closer. If you don't have bowls or buckets with you, you simply sort them in 2 different heaps on top of each other. I'm going to start getting my leaves sorted. Go on, you do the same. Join in. bigger, smaller. This is a big leaf. Sure. So one by one, take a look at how scrunchy this big leaf is. Smaller. I have many small leaves. Look at this different colored leaf, huh? So different. Wow. And how unique each leaf is. You can even see an ant walking off the leaf. Oh, this one is small. This one is big. This one also is very, very beautiful. The variation of autumn colors. Did you know that the season that we are in is called, let me hear, what is the season that we are in called? What is its name? Yes, louder, louder. Autumn, you are correct. And show the adults in the room how big your pile is becoming. Show them. Take a look. So you can see that from a heap of leaves, we have now sorted it into bigger and smaller leaves. Well done. Now, can you get me 3 small leaves and pack them in front of you? Let's see. 1, 2, 3. How many did you pack out? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3. And now backwards. 3, 2, 1. Again, let's count the amount of leaves we have on my white paper. 1, 2, 3. Can you count on your own backwards from 3 to 1? You can count out loud. Yes. 3, 2, 1. Well done. Adults, if they got that correct, give them a big high five. Yes. Now pack them away. Bye-bye. Bye, small leaves. See you. Now pack out 4 big leaves. Go on, do the same, and I'll also pack out 4. Now I have to think, how many is 4? I'll have to move the 2 bowls to the side because the leaves are so big. Is this correct? Are there 4 big leaves in front of you? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4. And backwards from 4, 4, 3, 2, 1. And again, 1, 2. I'll give you a chance. Say the next number's name. What comes after 2? 3. And then after 3, 4. And one last time. Backwards. 4, 3, 2, and finally 1. That was very good, my class. Now, leave 2 leaves on the table. Now I want you to do a sum with me. When I have picked up 1 leaf off the grass to help my parents at home, because we all love doing chores now. Yes, my class, I know you enjoy doing chores and helping at home. So you have now picked up 1 leaf off the grass. But you decided to be a bit more helpful and you picked up another leaf. How many leaves did you pick up from the floor together? 1 and 2. Yes, that means that if you picked up 1 plus 1 gives us 2. As we now come to the end of today's class, I must say it was so wonderful. And be sure to practice the big leaf and small leaf activity. Count your leaves for your homework and see how many leaves you can pick up off the grass to help at home, to be helpful at home. Adults, thank you for helping bringing the leaves today. Big shout out to you as well. And then to our sponsors. For our next lesson, you will need leaves again, bigger leaves, 2 containers, and washing pigs. 4 or 5 pigs is perfect. If you have 1, bring them along. And we'll see you next time. Children, stand up and let's greet each other and say goodbye with our Splashing in the Sea song.